Hello children, good morning. In yesterday's session, we studied about different boards and their catch, right? Yes, catch. The first board was log board, the second was long tail board, third was machine board and fourth was the motor board, right? And the machine board was the biggest board. And which was the smallest? Log board, right children? I hope you must have also solved the worksheet on your own, right? Yes, I know you must have solved it. Okay, today we are going to see some big numbers. Which is the big number came into your mind? Lakh? Yes, lakh. Last year we have studied in grade 4. Yes, lakh. You must have heard of the number lakh, which is equal to 100,000. Yes, it is equal to 100,000. You must be wondering why ma'am is saying 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Yes, I will explain. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 100,000 means 100,000. Now I will explain it to you. 1 lakh. 100,000 means 100. 1000 means 1000 number you have to take. So 100 into 1000. If I multiply 100 into 1000, I am going to get lakh. Yes. And can you tell me how many zeros are there in the lakh? 5 zeros. Right children? Yes. So 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Okay. Now tell me, what other things have you heard of in lakhs? I have heard many things. Population of a town, vehicles, shops, yes, shops, then factory workers, yes, they are in lakhs, right? Yes, they are in lakhs. Okay. Now we will discuss the same question what I just explained. Next question is, write the number 1000. Yes, write the number 1000. Now write 100,000. So how many zeros are there? See, what is the question? Write the number 1000. Now write 100,000. Just now we said now 100,000. Yes. So how many zeros are there in this number? First they told us to write 1000 and then they told us to write 100. Now 1000 into 100 and 100 into 1000 is equal to 1 lakh, right? 1 lakh. Remember children, 1 lakh has 5 0, right? 5 0. You multiply 1000 into 100 or 100 into 1000. Just easy. 1 ones are 1 and put all the zeros there. Add all the zeros. How many zeros are there? 100 has 2 and 1000 has 3 zeros. So 1000 into 100 is equal to 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Okay, now we come to this place value chart. This also we have learned last year. I hope you all remember. Yes. Now can you see this chart here? In the chart, first chart it is written there ones, thousands and lakhs. These are the periods. Yes, these are the periods. They are known as periods. Now in ones period you have 3 places and they are ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands period you have 2 places, that is 10,000 and 1000, right? Okay, now in the third lakhs, third period you have 2 places, that is lakhs and 10 lakhs. Last year you have studied only till lakhs and today we are going to study also a little further, a big number. Yes, 10 lakhs, a big number. After lakhs we get 10 lakhs. Now tell me, if lakhs has 5 zeros, how many zeros will come in 10 lakhs? Yes, any guesses? Have you counted? Yes, we will get 6 zeros. How many zeros we will get? 6 zeros. Simple. 10 lakh. What you will take? You will take the number 10. Yes, I took the number 10 and then lakh. I will take 1 lakh and I multiply 10 into lakh. So 10 has 1 zero, lakh has 5 zeros. Add it. How many zeros you are getting in 10 lakhs? 6 zeros, right? We are going to get 6 zeros. Okay. So 10 lakh has 6 zeros. So how many periods are there? Ones, thousand, lakhs. One has how many places? 3 places. 1000 has 2 places and lakh has 2 places and they are lakhs, 10 lakhs. In ones how many places are there? Ones, tens, 100. In 1000, 2 places. 1000, 10,000. Right, children? Okay. Can you see one number given down here? Yes, 4, 3, 4, 8, 9, 2, 5. Remember, children, whenever this type of number is given, you always have to write the places. Then you know our number is how big, right? How big means it is going to lakh or it is going to 10 lakh. Okay. Now 5 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 9 is in hundreds place, 8 thousands place, 4 10,000s place, 3 lakhs place and 4 in 10 lakhs. Remember, children, whenever you write the places, you always start from the lowest, that is ones. Don't start from your left side, always start it from your right side. Yes, ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, right? Okay, now tell me, if I give you a number from this only, I say 8925, how are we going to read this number? We are going to write, now 8 is in thousands place, so it is 8,925, right? Okay, suppose I take 48925. Now here 4 is in 10,000s place, right? So the number is going to be 48,925, right? Okay, now if I start 348925, 3, 4. So 3 is in lakhs place. So how are we going to read this number? 3 lakh 48,925. Now if I take the full number, how are we going to read this number? Right? 43 lakh 48,925. In this number, we are having total 3 periods. Have you observed it? 3 periods. And how many places are given? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Are you clear with it? Okay, now we go to more big number. Okay, there are 2 small questions. There are about 2 lakh boats in our country. How many? 2 lakh. Now come on, tell me how many zeros for a lakh? 5, right. Half of them are without a motor. You know, we have studied about motor boats, machine boats, log boats, right. So half of them are without a motor, means they are log boats and that long tail boats, right? Okay. Now, what is the question? What is the number of boats with a motor? Yes, simple. If 2 lakh total boats are there, half are without a motor, so half of them are with motor. So how much? What is the half of 2 lakh? Yes, any guesses? Yes, half of 2 lakh is 1 lakh. How much is half of 100? 50. Half of 1000? 500, right? So half of 1 lakh, how much? Come on, guess. It is 50,000, right? So half of 2 lakh is 1 lakh. Yes, half of 2 lakh is 1 lakh. So how many motor boats are there? 1 lakh. So 1 lakh motor boats. Okay. Now our next question there is about in the 1 lakh, if there are boats with a motor. Yes, boat with a motor. They can be a motor boat or they can be a machine boats, right? So now this is the next second question. About 1/4 of the boats with a motor are big machine boats. Yeah, do you know? I have always in the previous session I have told you motor boats and then big machine boats. There are trawlers, they are motor boats, and then big machine boats, they are called launches. Yes, trawlers, right? Okay. So about 1/4 of the boat with a motor are big machine boats, means trawlers, right? How many thousand machine boats are there? Now they are asking us how many machine boats are there. If answer we got previous 1 lakh, we have boats with motors. So how many boats? 1/4 are big machine boats. So tell me, 1 lakh motor boats are there, 1/4 of it are big machine boats. So how are we going to do? Simple. 1/4 means 1/4, right? 1 lakh. We got 1 lakh boats with motors, and in that 1/4 of it are big machine boats. So what we are going to do? Simple. 1 lakh you divide by 4. You are going to get 25,000. I will tell you one more simple thing in this. 1 lakh. What is half of 1 lakh? 50,000. What is half of 50,000? 25,000. Okay. If you take 25,000 4 times, right? 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25,000. Not 25. 25,000. you're going to get 1 lakh. So 25,000 is the 1/4 part of 1 lakh. Understood? So 1/4 means I divided 1 lakh with 4 and I got 25,000. Right? Have you all understood it? Yes. Okay. Now we go to something bigger now. Bigger than 1 lakh and 10 lakh. Right? Okay. We might wonder about the number of people whose lives are related to fish. Right? Yes. In all, there are about 100 lakh fish workers. 100 lakh fish workers. See the question, 100 lakh. 100 means how much? What is the number? 100. And lakh means, yes, 1 lakh. Lakh has how many zeros? 5 zeros. 100 has how many zeros? 2 zeros. We come to that. Catch fish, clean and sell them. Make and repair nets and boats and etc. Many jobs are there. They have to do a lot of work here. We also have a name for the big number. Yes, big number. 100 lakh is called a crore, right? Crore. How much? Crore. 100 lakh is called a crore, right? 100 means 100. Lakh means 1 lakh. Lakh has how many zeros? 5. 100, 2 zeros. What I told you all? Just write the 1. 1 ones are 1. 100 has 2 zeros. Lakh has 5 zeros. Add them. How many zeros? Yes. Any guesses? Yes. 7 zeros. Yes. That is 1 crore. So 1 crore has 7 zeros. Okay. Tell me children, where have you heard of a crore? And what was the number used for? Have you heard somewhere? Yes. Population of India in crores. Factory production. You know factory, big factories have productions and they have the production in crores, right? Yes, crores of money, right? Yes. And many things. Just think about it. Okay. Now, I will again come back to the place value chart here. Just now we discussed it. The periods 1000 lakh. 1 has 3 places. 1000 has 2 places. Lakhs has how many places here? 2 places. And next is the crore. Lakh has how many zeros? 5 zeros. 10 lakh 6 zeros. And now crore has 7 zeros. Yes, big number? Yes, very big number. Okay. Now again we come back. 1 crore has 7 zeros. 100 lakh. 100 lakh is equal to 1 crore. I explain it again to you. 100 lakh. 100 means 100 and lakhs means 1 lakh. Okay. So 1 lakh into 100 or 100 into 1 lakh is equal to 1 crore. Simple. 1 ones are 1. Take all the zeros and put it down there. Just write it down there. And it comes to 7 zeros. So that is equal to 1 crore. So 1 crore has 7 zeros. Don't get lost into the zeros. Yes, 1 crore has 7 zeros. Okay. Now, can you see the number here? 66422-709. It is not a number, not a phone number. I am just going to tell you all. Now, here 9 is in which place? 1's place. Wow. 0, 10's place. 7, 100's place. 2, 1000. Again 2, 10,000's place. 4, lakhs place. 6, 10 lakh. And 6 in crores place. Wow. Now, just think, how are we going to read this number? Okay. Now, we have written the number down there. 664222709. Yes. Now, I am going to read this number. How to read it? First, 6 is in crores place. I have always told you, whenever such type of a number comes, you write the places. Yes, place value, places where these numbers are standing. Okay. So, now I read the number. It is 6 crore 64 lakh 22,709. Yes, children. Should I read it again? 6 crore 64 lakh 22,709. Always remember, children, first bifurcate the number in periods and then places, right? So, first it is very easy. Bifurcate it in period and then the places. and it's always preferable you always write there ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crores. Then it is very easy for you to read or write the number. Okay, if I take only such number from here 6422709, 6422709. Now if I see this 6 is in 10 lakhs place. So how are we going to read it? 64 lakh 22,709, right? 64 lakh 22,709. If I take only just last 3 digits 709, 709, how I am going to read it? 709. If I take the last 4 digits, then the answer will come 2,709, right? Are you going to remember it, children? Okay. Now here also we have lot of concepts like smaller and bigger. Can you see here so many numbers? Can somebody tell me which is the smallest number here? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, it is 654. And which is the biggest number? Yes, can you find? Can you find? Yes, it is there. 2, 5, 6, 2, 4, 8, 4, 5. Now if I say 5 is in ones place, 4 is in which place? Tens, 8 is in 100, again 4 is in thousands place, 2 is in 10,000, 6 is in lakhs, 5 is in 10 lakhs and 2 is in crores place, right? So here this is the biggest number, and what is it? 2 crores 56 lakh 24,845, right? So that is the biggest number. Now what I did here? I did the expanded notation too, right? Okay. Now if I ask you the place value of one number given here, okay, I will take one number here 90342. Can you see that? 90342. If I ask you in which place is the 9 number? Come on, can you guess? Okay, now I will start. 2 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, 0 is in thousands place. Yes, 9 is in 10,000s place. So the value is 90,000 and 9 is in 10,000s place, right? Okay, we take one more number 4352. Yes, 4352. Can you see your number here? Yes. Now I am asking you in which place is 2? 2 is in ones place. Simple. 4 is in which place? 1000. Yes, because if 2 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place and 4 is in thousands place, right? Okay. Now we go to which number can we take? Okay, we'll take 2586410. Can somebody tell me which place is the 2 number here now? Yes, 0 is in ones place, 1 is in which place? Tens, 4 hundreds place, 6,000. 8 is in which place? 10,000, 5 lakh and 2 is in 10 lakhs place. So that 2 is in 10 lakhs place. So what is the number? 25 lakh 86,410, right? Yes. Now do you know what is the meaning of ascending and descending? Ascending means small to big. Yes, we start from a smaller number and we end with a bigger number. Now which is the smallest number here? 654. Yes, and then you start again little bigger, then bigger, then bigger and then the bigger. So which is the biggest number here? Yes, 256, 24845, 2 crores. That is the biggest number here. Okay, now what is the descending? Descending is what? Yes, any guesses? Yes, yes, come on, tell me. Remember, ascending is small to big, so descending is big to small, right? So we will go from big to small. We start with the crores and we end with 654. We start with 256, 24845 and then we end with 654, right? Okay. Now next is comparing. What is the meaning of comparing? We have done it last year. Yes, we have to put the greater number, greater sign, then which is that smaller, and then last is the is equal to sign. Yes, right? If you compare here now 90,342 and 34,789, any guesses which is the bigger number here? Yes, first you have to compare. Now when you are going to compare, you have to compare the bigger number. Now which is the bigger? In 34, 3 is in which place? 10,000. 9 also is in 10,000. So naturally, which is the biggest number here? 90,342 compared to 34,789. Okay, if I take 4352 and the next number I take 654. Yes, you all know which is the biggest number here. 4352, right? Okay, I take the last numbers here. I take the 2 crore number, 2 crores 56 lakhs 24,845, and next number I take, how much is that? Which place is that 4 now? Any guesses? Yes, 1, 10, 100. Then 2 is in 1000, 5 is in 10,000, and 4 is in lakhs, and this is in crores. So naturally, which is the bigger number here? 2 crore. And which is the smallest? The next number, 4,52,121 is the smallest, right? So now we have studied today the big number. We started from lakh, then 10 lakh, and then crore. Lakh has how many zeros? 5, right? And then 10 lakh has 6 zeros, and crores has 7 zeros. Okay. Related to all these questions, I am going to forward again a worksheet. Yes, and you have to solve it. Smaller, bigger numbers, expanded form, place value, ascending and descending, and comparing. These all things we have actually studied in grade 4. Right, children? Here only we have studied today 10 lakh and crore. I told you 10 lakh has how many zeros? Yes, 6 zeros. And crore has how many zeros? 7 zeros. Right, children? Okay. So please solve the worksheet. Yes, again on your own. Now this time no taking help of your mama. You're going to solve it on your own and enjoy solving that worksheet. And be at home, be safe. Yes, and goodbye. Have a nice day, children. Bye bye.